How to use to do it for tax automation with Zapier. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use to do it for tax automation with Zapier. Using to do it with Zapier for tax automation involves creating workflows known as SAPs, which connects to do it to other apps and services. And here is how to do it. So the first step is to log in into your to do it account, just like I have done here. And the second step is to go to your web browser and then type out open a new tab and then type out www.zapier.com. After typing it out, you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account and log in, and then you'll be brought to your own page. Okay, or before then, you have to wait for your dashboard to load. All right. So once the dashboard has loaded, this is how it looks like. Okay, you can see different options. You can see the question, what would you like to automate, and then by the left side of the screen you can see other options as well, such as SAPs, tables, etc. So the next step here is to click on create. Okay, and then once you click on create, you'll be asked what you would want to create. Just go ahead and click on SAPs since you're trying to work with automated workflows. And after clicking on SAPs, you're brought to the editor's page. Then next step is to create a trigger and then an action. So for a trigger, you would have to select uh to do it. So just click on trigger. Okay, so after clicking on trigger, the next step is to type out to do it in the search box displayed. Then click on select. Okay, and then you have to choose an event. All right, so for here you can just select new project, click on continue, and if you have to sign into your to do it account, just wait for it to load. All right, once that's loaded, you'll be asked to select a Google account. Ensure you select it, and then you can see connect an account. Just wait patiently for that to load as well. So once the account has been loaded, just click on continue, and then you'll be asked to test your trigger if you want. You can go ahead and test it. Then testing, wait for it to load. And after that, you'll be asked to select the kind of project you want. Do you want the project C or you want new record? Just continue. And then the next thing is to click is to choose an action. So for the action, you'll be choosing Zapier. So just type out Zapier in the search box, and then you can see the different options displayed. Zapier tables, you can see Zapier interfaces, you can see. Just type out okay. Select Zapier tables, okay. Let's select Zapier tables. Yes, and then you can see at the left side, you can see the option choose an event. Just go ahead and click create actions, click on continue, and then you can click on continue. And then you back to input attempt data, all of that. Just fill in all of that. And then once you're done, your to do it account will be connected directly to your Zapier account, such that you can now use your to do it for tax automation using Zapier. It's very, very simple. Just follow these procedures and you'll be able to automate repetitive taxes, you'll be able to add enhance team collaboration, etc. Thanks for watching and have a good day.